we now have a paper from Panuganti Shiva, Dr. Panuganti Shiva, Professor Panuganti Shiva is from MIT School of Vedic Sciences, Pune, part of MIT ADT University, is the head of the department of MIT School of Vedic Sciences. He is a scholar in Alankara Shastra and other areas of Sanskrit research, but he has been focusing on Ayurveda of late, and he is going to present Ayurveda related material from Agni Purana.
Namaste Namaste. This is my great pleasure to be in the part of this conference organized by Indic Academy on Puranas and Indic knowledge systems. My topic is related to Agni Purana. Specifically, there is one 141 Adhyaya that is called as Yuddha Jayarnava Adhyaya. In that Adhyaya, one concept called as Shat-Trimshat Padakani. It is mostly ignored and cornered, not yet highlighted so far, because this topic was attracted me and maybe given some kind of scope to relevant to the particular present COVID situation, how this will be useful and in which way this can be experimented later. So according to Ayurveda, this Baladhishtanam Arogyam, the immunity is the main primary remedy to prevent the disease. So lacking the immunity is the main cause to get any kind of disease. Now in the present situation, the entire world is maybe doing some such kind of bio war with COVID. This particular situation, this concept also described in the context of Yuddha Jayarnava Adhyaya. That's why there is a correlation between this COVID pandemic situation, how this will be relevant in this present situation. So, in this study, I have taken all these Shat-Trimshat Padakani means 36 medicinal herbs or drugs may be mentioned in this preparation. This preparation is not matching with any Ayurvedic text. This is uncovered medicinal preparation mentioned in Agni Purana, which is maybe not like Ayurveda, but the drugs are same. The nomenclature of drugs are very similar, mentioned in Ayurvedic Materia Medica. I have taken all 36 drugs and for therapeutic uses, I have cross-checked all Ayurvedic lexicons like Bhava Prakasha and Rajanikantu, like that. Then I arranged in a table for easy to understand. If we go through once, these are all 36 herbs one by one. The first one, because the number also is very having very significance in this, because not only this entire preparation of 36 herbs is also praised and used as Sarvaroga Nivarani and Amrita Sanjeevani. The name itself, it's indicating this entire the preparation of 36 herbs can be utilized and can be experimented in the context of immunity booster or any remedy to the COVID kind of to avoid or to cure COVID kind of viruses. So here Haritaki is one of the herb. Haritaki, Akshi, and Dhatri, Maricha, Pippali, Shifa. It is referenced as in the Ayurvedic Materia Medica, Dravanti. Vahni and Shunti, Pippali, Guduchi, Vacha, Nimbaka, Vasaka, Setamuli, Saindhava. All 36 drugs. Saindhava is the out of herb. They have used salt also, Samudra Lavana. And Sindhuvaraka, Kantakari, Gokshura, Bilva, Punarnava, Bala, Erandamundi. The Erandamundi, I didn't found any reference in Ayurvedic lexicons and Materia Medica also. This is looking as a unique term, which is not matching in Ayurvedic Materia Medica. And Ruchaka, the 23rd one, Brunga, Kshara, Parpata, Dhanyaka, Jiraka, Shatapushpi, Javanika, and Vidanga, Vacha, Khadira, Kritamala, Haridra, and Siddharthaka. All these 36 drugs used in this preparation. Based on my study, just I found some points need to be discussed to clarify the doubts also. In this, Saindhava is the unique drug among these 36 patakas. And I have gone through this immunity boosters from Ayurveda mentioned by Ministry of Ayush. There in their list, only I found a few medicinal material, that is Haridra, Jiraka, Dhanyaka, Shunti, and Yavanika. Only these substances only matching with those 36. And the other interesting point is there, among these 36, based on the combination, like 1 to 9 and 9 to 10, like that, based on the combination of sequencing of these drugs are useful for curing other diseases also. The entire 36 drugs can be made one preparation, and based on the combination, the sequential combination, then those will be the different medicinal preparations can be used for other diseases also. I found some terminological issues while referencing in Ayurveda Materia Medica. For instance, the Bala, that while searching about Bala term in Ayurveda Materia Medica, there are 3 variations are there. 3 types of Balas are there. One is Mahabala and Atibala and Nagabala. While deciding which one can be which need to be identified exact matching with the Bala term, in these places I got some confusion, and just based on the majority of the Materia Medica and following API Ayurveda Pharmacopoeia India volumes also, just I have taken Bala as a Siddha cordifolia, and Kantakari also having 2 terms, 2 herbal terms. One is Vartaki and Kantakari. Here also some terminological issues were happened, and and after that the Erandamundi is not found in anywhere of this Materia Medica. Then there are 2 similarities, similar terms repeated in 9th in the sequence, taken as a Pippali Mula and considered as Mahabari Vacha. So, by referring this Ayurveda Materia Medica, the 9th one is considered as Pippali Mula, and this 22nd one, because Vacha word, the medicinal term repeated twice. Then by cross-checking this Bhava Prakasha I have considered this Mahabhari Vacha instead of the second repetition of that Vacha. Then the methodology, the preparation methodology, they not yet mentioned in Agni Purana. That is our duty to maybe by taking the modern methodology to prepare this kind of medicine. That methodology we need to follow from modern perspective. But the type of dosage that is also mentioned. The medicine can be taken as churna or vatika or avaleha and kashaya and modaka also as a edible kind of thing. Then the medicine will be used as a Mrta Sanjeevani. Then that's why is equal to some maybe immunity enhancer or more than immunity enhancer. Then while taking this medicine along with madhu or dhruta or and other graha tailya, then that the efficacy of the medicinal efficacy of this preparation will be increased. Then the dosage also they describe the entire the vertic or tablet or any kind of churna should be as a 8 grams or 16 grams and 32 grams and 64 grams. These are the suggestive dosage need to be taken this medicine. Then by comparing and summarizing the therapeutic uses of all 36 herbs, the mostly maybe 90% of these 36 padakas or drugs are deepanas, digestive fire improvers and rasayanas and balavardhakas. So all this the preparation of these 36 padakas can be used and can be experimented towards identifying its medicinal efficacy or immunity boosting factor for the welfare of the to get rid of this COVID kind of thing. Then I want to I'm going to conclude this. If we study these Puranas scientifically, those can be the scientific information can be utilized for the welfare of the society. Then after that, this study can be taken forward to do a clinical study and to experiment clinically to show its efficacy and can be utilized in this pandemic situation. Correlating this Puranic concept to present situation, it is a kind of for me it is a challenging kind of thing. So I have gone through modern articles also from Ayurvedic perspective as a immunity boosters related relevant information. So
thank you, Professor Shiva.
Yes.
The paper was really very, very interesting, particularly in the context of COVID, the present pandemic.
Yes.
Probably you would have attracted more attention, more audience by titling your paper itself as a paper covering interesting topics like COVID and pandemic.
Yeah, there are so many concepts are there, sir, in Puranas itself, like in which way water need to be taken. That is not clear in Ayurveda, but specifically mentioned in Padma Purana also. Taking water in the morning, taking milk in the night. There won't be any use. No need to go to the doctor. There's as a shloka, they have given out of coverage concepts in Ayurveda. The entire literature can be maybe we can study and brought as a kind of some scientific information to give the common people also can be able to follow that one.